How to reserve FIFA World Cup 2026 tickets. Complete 5-minute guide script. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Sam, your financial advisor and travel guide. If you're dreaming of attending the FIFA World Cup 2026 in the United States, Canada, or Mexico, then this video is for you. The FIFA World Cup is one of the biggest sporting events in the world, bringing together millions of football fans from every corner of the globe. However, getting tickets can be confusing if you don't know the process. In today's video, I'll explain exactly how to reserve FIFA World Cup 2026 tickets step by step, how to avoid scams, and what you need to do to increase your chances of securing a seat at your favorite matches. So stay with me until the end, because these tips could save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. The first and most important step is creating an official FIFA account. FIFA sells World Cup tickets through its official ticketing platform, and having a FIFA ID is required before you can apply for tickets. Simply visit the FIFA website, create an account using your email address, and verify your information. Once your account is active, you'll be able to receive updates about ticket sales, important announcements, and upcoming ticket phases. Make sure you use an email address that you check regularly because FIFA will send all important notifications there. The second step is understanding how ticket sales work. FIFA usually releases tickets in multiple phases. Some phases use a random selection draw, often called a lottery system, while others operate on a first-come, first-served basis. During the lottery phase, you submit your ticket request, and if selected, you'll be given the opportunity to purchase the tickets. During first-come, first-served sales, tickets are sold directly until they are sold out. This means that being prepared and acting quickly can significantly improve your chances of securing tickets. Once ticket sales begin, log into your FIFA account and browse the available matches. You can choose specific games, stadiums, teams, or even purchase ticket packages that cover multiple matches. Carefully review the seating categories because ticket prices vary depending on seat location and match importance. Group stage matches are generally more affordable, while knockout stage matches and the final are much more expensive. Before submitting your request, double-check all information to ensure everything is accurate. After selecting your tickets, you'll move on to the payment process. FIFA accepts major credit and debit cards, and once payment is completed successfully, you'll receive a confirmation email. Keep this email safe because it serves as proof of your purchase. Remember that a confirmation does not always mean your tickets are immediately available. FIFA may release digital tickets closer to the tournament date through their official mobile application. Another important tip is to download the official FIFA World Cup app when it becomes available. Most tickets for FIFA World Cup 2026 are expected to be distributed digitally. This means you'll likely need the official app to access, manage, and present your tickets when entering the stadium. Make sure your phone is charged on match day and keep your login credentials secure. Now let's talk about avoiding scams. Unfortunately, major sporting events attract scammers who sell fake tickets online. Never buy tickets from random social media accounts, unofficial websites, or unknown sellers. The safest option is always FIFA's official ticketing platform or FIFA's official resale marketplace. If a deal looks too good to be true, it probably is. Protect your money by purchasing only through authorized channels. If tickets are sold out, don't panic. FIFA often operates an official resale marketplace where fans can safely buy and sell tickets. Many people change their travel plans or can no longer attend matches, creating opportunities for other fans to secure tickets. Keep checking the official resale platform regularly, because availability can change every day. If you're traveling internationally, remember to prepare early. Check visa requirements for the United States, Canada, or Mexico, book accommodations as soon as possible, and compare flight prices well in advance. The closer you get to the tournament, the more expensive flights and hotels are likely to become. Planning early can help you save hundreds or even thousands of dollars. The FIFA World Cup 2026 promises to be one of the biggest and most exciting tournaments in football history, and securing your tickets early is the best way to ensure you don't miss out on this incredible experience. Follow the official process, stay informed about ticket sales, and avoid unofficial sellers. With the right preparation, you'll be one step closer to watching the world's greatest football stars compete live on the biggest stage.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to The Income Engineer. Press the bell icon so you never miss our latest financial updates, investment strategies, and wealth building tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
अंधेरी दीवारों में खुद को ढूंढता हूँ, गए जो दिन सहाने थे उन्हीं को सोचता हूँ मैं। तुम्हारे बिन ये मौसम भी बड़ा बेसर्द लगता है, दिल का हर एक कोना अब बहुत ही दूर भरता है। अंधेरी दीवारों में खुद को ढूंढता हूँ मैं, ये जो दिन सुहाने थे उन्हीं को सोचता हूँ मैं। तुम्हारे बिन ये मौसम भी बड़ा सर्द लगता है, दिल का हर एक खोने की राहों में ये आंसू बहने लगते हैं। कहाँ जाऊं कहाँ ढूंढूं मेरा वो साजो सामा, तो मेरी हर एक तमन्ना तू, मेरी रूह का मकान तू। कहानी में फकत एक गम ही लिखा था, सितारों से भी पूछता है पता तेरा कहाँ होगा, मगर खामोश है दुनिया कहाँ मेरा जहाँ होगा। बस एक बार मुड़ के देख ले मेरी बेबसी की सूरत, मुझे है आज भी तेरी वफा की सख्त जरूरत। साए मेरे तन्हा सफर बस रह गया दर्द का असर, साए मेरे तन्हा सफर बस रह गया दर्द का असर, दर्द का असर।